Hi everyone, welcome back to Money and Chi. And today we will be reviewing Alternergy IPO. So sorry, medyo late to kasi naging busy ako last week. I really planned to do it last Wednesday pero hindi kinaya. Pero ayun, review natin ngayon. Medyo short lang yung gagawin ko kasi hindi ko nagawa pa. Bali yung analysis natin will be based on mostly my experience working with them and my experience in the energy sector. So hopefully maging useful for you. So let's do it now. Ayan, this is the first time siguro na na-excite ako na magre-review ulit ako ng stocks. Kasi I remember na nung nakita ko siya, sabi ko, oh my God, ba't hindi siya lumabas sa ano ko. But anyways, I'm so happy na mag-IPO sila. I know this company for a very long time. I work with them. Alam ko yung mga tao na nagtrabaho dito, sobrang pinaghirapan nyo where they are right now. So I really, really like this company to begin with. So baka sabihin nyo, ano ako, biased ako. Pero diretso na tayo dun sa, ano, sa importante, di ba? First of all, ang gusto ko lang sabihin, pag nag-IPO kayo or pag mag-purchase kayo ng IPO is yung kalidad or yung quality nung company na i-investan nyo. And with regards to the energy sector, medyo mahirap maghanap ng magaling talaga kasi very niche siya. Sobrang hirap niya na industry, to be honest. Marami kang gagapangin. Not just financially, merong kang regulatory, legal, and community, social, and environment, and also yun nga, yung financial feasibility study. So, technical pa pala, sorry. So at the end of the day, you have to find a company that really is good in every aspect of it. And merong magandang background. And what I can say about Alternergy from the last time that nakausap ko sila is matatalino yung mga tao dito. When I say matalino, I mean it. As in, marami akong alam na top management na hindi matalino. Pero sa Alternergy, parang walang tapon yung top management nila. All of them are really great. They're very smart. I think I met Sir Vince Perez and Sir Jerry. Si Sir Jerry and si Ma'am Marta ng HR nila. Actually, they were supposed to hire me before. I love them so much. Pero yun lang. Hindi ako natuloy. Pero I think if I take that job, yung sa Alternergy before, para masyado ako mag-enjoy and hindi ako lalabas kasi masyadong masaya. So, but I'm happy where I am right now. Kaya, buti hindi ko tinanggap. Anyways, siguro naman alam nyo na sila yung nag-develop no Pililla Wind Farm. Yeah. So, yung Pililla Wind Farm, nakakatuwa yan kasi nung nag-start ako sa renewable energy in Philippines, that was around 2011. I'm working in the geothermal. Tapos, yun yung same time na we're buying for the feed-in tariff for the wind. So, that time, ang feed-in tariff kasi noon, parang you'll get a fixed rate of tariff or yung babayaran nila sa iyo per kilowatt hour ng kuryente para i-develop mo yung renewable energy. In that case, wind. So, nung time na yon, if you've been to Boracay, yung sa may Station 1, pag nakita mo yung windmills dun sa may Kalibo area, yun yung project na dinevelop ko. And competition namin sila, si Pililla. So, nung time na yon, lahat kami nag-work towards getting the feed-in tariff. And yung mga nanalo, I mean, nakakatawa lang kasi 150 megawatts lang yung target or yung allowance. Tapos, ang kalaban namin sila, tapos si EDC, 80 megawatts, 50 megawatts, tapos kami nasa 36 megawatts, tapos may iba pa. So, naka-line up yun. Tapos, nakakainis lang kasi nung nung syempre nangungutang kami, di ba? Naghahanap kami ng funding. So lahat nung different companies, kailangan ni-research namin kung anong stage na sila. And sabi namin kay Pilian, ako, mahihirapan sila kasi kailangan nilang i-transport, di ba mahaba yung windmill, windmill, yung ano niya, yung iyon, mahaba siya. So sabi mo, mahirapan yun kasi dadaan sa mountain, ganyan, ganyan. So sinisiraan namin sila. Tapos yung sa huli, syempre, masaya kami lahat na nakapasok kami on time. Nagkainisan lang kasi si EDC biglang from 80 megawatts, biglang 150 yung inano niya. So, yung fit instead of 150, buti na lang in-extend ni governments. Kaya, yun, nakapasok yung 54 megawatt ni Pililla. So, gusto ko lang i-explain yung gaano kahirap ma-achieve yon kasi ang daming mong papasukin mo yung butas ng karayom talaga for you to be able to develop those kinds of projects. And, ang problema lang nun kay Alternergy is money. So, wala silang masyadong capital to actually develop more projects. So, pero in terms of strategizing, getting the permits, getting the PPA, getting the technical studies and everything, magaling sila. As in, magaling sila. For them to be able to pull it off without any capital, without any big backing from big companies, tapos, napanalo nila yon. Sobrang galing nila. Gusto ko lang i-emphasize na kulang lang sila sa pera, pero magaling sila. So, just imagine if they have enough capital, kung gaano kagaling sila magbubulusok. Yun lang yung gusto kong i-emphasize. Kasi, these people, they've been in the industry for the longest time. And they know all the permits and the regulations and the technical side of it, and even the financials. And yun nga, ang gusto ko pa sa kanila, bukod doon, is ethical sila. Kasi may companies na hindi ethical, at alam nyo yun. Hindi ko sasabihin kung sino yun, pero sumusunod sila sa proseso. If they wanted to support, let's say, radical transformation in the industry, they do that in the proper way. 'Di ba? Nagko-consultation sila. They are part of consultation. They respect the industry players. They respect everyone. And that's very important kasi sa industry, 'di ba? It's a very small industry. And you need to respect each other. You play the game. You all play the same game. Pero, alam niyo na, sports, 'di ba? Hindi yung basta. Ayan, so move on tayo sa projects nila in the pipeline. You have to remember when you're investing in a company kasi development siya na, so mostly na halo siya ng greenfield, brownfield, tsaka operational projects. Yung nakita ko sa portfolio nila. So when you invest there, kailangan alam niyo yung timing, ha, kasi alam niyo later i-explain ko sa use of funds. Sorry, ang gulo kong kausap. Pero, yan. Ayan yung list of potential projects nila and yung existing projects as well. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung potential na pwedeng tumaas yung stocks nyo. So, those are critical. And I'm just telling you, magaling silang mag-meet ng targets. Although, you have to be careful sa energy, laging hindi siya mamimit yung target, ha? Kasi, when I say namimit nila yung target, yung na-closest na. Pero, malamang sa energy projects, you'll always be delayed. Pero sila, dahil nga konti lang yung fund nila, very sila, calculated risk, calculated movement, calculated everything. So, which is good kasi it means less yung losses mo. Kasi when you talk about investing sa power energy, every day counts. So, when I was doing the geothermal project, parang isang araw lang na ma-delay yung project mo, ang loss mo pumapalo ng 2 million pesos per day. So, ganun katindi. Just make sure na when you buy a project, when you buy a stocks or a company na magaling sila na ma-achieve yun. And that's including making sure na all of your permits are ready before you start construction. Napaka-critical yun. That's a major stuff. Um, yan. So with regards to solar, so eto, Kirahon, operating na siya. They have 64% ownership, which is good, 10 megawatts. Maganda yan. May operational. Yun yung maganda dito kasi sinama nila yung operational. Kasi yung ibang IPO nakita ko sa Energy, hindi nila sinama yung operating asset. Napakagarapal. Sorry. Hindi maganda yon. Parang, anyways, ayan, so you have other potential projects, 70%, 45%. Yung sa wind nila, benenta nila yung sa Pililia. So I think 5% na lang yung ownership nila doon. Yan, Alternergy Wind One Corporation. And sa Sembrano, 5% na lang. Kasi what they need to do is to sell yung existing operational asset nila para makapag-develop sila ng bagong projects. Yun yung issue nun kasi. So yung wind nila, meron pa silang ibang service contract. So when you have service contract, ibig sabihin, yung areas na yon you can study. So pwede ka maglagay lang wind mast, tapos start mo yung para makuha mo yung technical data kung okay ba siya to set up a wind farm, and then after nun, yun, pwede mo na siyang i-develop. So ito, developing stage na siya. Tapos 100%. Ilang megawatt siya? 99. Q4 2025. Wow, ang laki nun sa Tanay. Ang laki nun na. Wow, bongga. Anyway, sana makakuha ko ng shares. Nakakainis. Anyways, yung hydro nila, mini hydro nila, nasa pa ako, mega wide pa ako, i-review, due diligence ko yung hydro nila na tawag dito, portfolio. So medyo on the buyer side, hindi siya masyadong pasok sa banga. Although pasok siya sa banga for yung sa minimum required return. I think if you're on the development side, kung sila 100% ownership, mas maganda yung return as compared to yun, in-acquire namin siya. So, yun, hindi nag-materialize yung acquisition. Although, we almost got there. Medyo, alam ko nagkaroon lang ng issue sa ownership nun. Pero, it was a good project. I think, I'm not sure which one yung good project dun sa hydros nila. Pero, merong ibang okay, merong ibang okay lang. After IPO structure, ito yung gusto ko sabihin na 32% yung give nila for sa public. Ang gulo kausap kasi ang ingay, hindi ako makakoncentrate. Ayan. Let's just move on to the next part. Char. Ito yung project summary ha. So, check nyo mabuti yan. Check nyo mabuti. Para hindi naman HS lang. Kailangan yung tingnan yan. Ayan, let's move to the use of proceeds. Yan. So here, sinabi nila na yung use of proceeds is gagamitin nila for development and construction of the projects under development. So, nasa 564 million. And then, gusto nila mag-pay out ng existing loan of 522 million. And then, they need the pre-development of the expenses of pipeline na 155 million. And then, general corporate requirements and working capital. So, I just want to share with you ano yung ibig sabihin nito. Itong part na to is development na siya. Construction ka na. Ibig sabihin, natanggal mo na lahat ng risk before ng construction. Sobrang okay na yon, di ba? And I think, based on my calculation nung last few days, parang yung equity part, babayaran mo sa 30% nung, 20 or 30% nung full amount nung assets. nasa baba yun eh. Check nyo na lang. Ibig sabihin, you're only paying for the equity part nila. So, which is good already. Kasi kung sa public, wala ka namang capacity to actually get into energy project. So, they're just, yeah, basing yung 30%. Ang gusto ko lang sabihin, which is hindi ko ma-explain ng maayos. Kasi fair yung valuation nila. Sobrang fair. Which is, actually, hindi siya masyadong fair. Medyo lower than ano siya, value. Kasi I would price their expertise and experience higher. Um, I think, I think cheap siya for me. If I'm going to invest in a good energy company, I think this IPO sobrang good value for the money. Kasi tinanggalan na nila yung lahat yung risk and then you're just paying the equity part of it. So, yun, hindi nila masyadong nilagyan ng value yung ano nila, yung core team nila. And I think they should have. I would have priced it higher. Pero yun, I'm happy. As a buyer, I'm okay. Pero, um, yun lang. Gusto ko sabihin. Anyways, they put all of the risk here. So, make sure you read the prospectus, ha? Ayun, sorry guys. Medyo magulo yung analysis ko kasi naguguluhan ako sa location. Maingay at in transit ako pa uwi. I support companies like this na ethical and magagaling and working hard in the industry. If you are lucky enough to get the stock sa IPO, kasi nag-subscribe ako, oversubscribe siya sa call. Hindi ako inallocated. And then I tried getting sa LSI, sa local small investor. So, hopefully makakuha ako. Pero, yun, if you're lucky enough to get yung stocks, don't sell. Please don't sell. I'm saying this kasi, as you can see, di ba, ang dami na lang projects in the pipeline. And they're only funding yung initial construction. It means that for the next projects, they would need to raise an SRO. And if mababa yung price ng stocks nila, they will be able to earn less or get funding less amount. And that's not fair kasi they're really doing their best. And we really wanted to push to transition to green energy and, cleaner energy. And we need to support companies like them na talagang they follow the rules and they really work hard in the industry. And masasabi ko kasi sila, parang nung na-meet ko sila, genuine sila. Alam mo yun, talagang they care for the transition in the industry, for renewable energy. Ang maganda pa nga sa kanila kasi how they hire staff. Kaya ako nasabi na matatalino rin sila. Kasi before you get hired, they actually make you do a personality test. So, if your personality is good, it fits in the company, then you get in, diba? So, which is, I think, a very good practice. I think they do that in Silicon Valley. Parang they put the personality in certain jobs, and it's so nice to work with them. They're super nice. They're very reasonable people, and they work really hard. Alam mo yon. So, and matatalino sila. Ang hirap maghanap ng matalino. Yun. Anyways, yun lang yung wish ko sana na if you're able to hold it, please don't sell it. Kasi to explain it better, hindi pa operational yung ibang projects nila. And some institutions, they wanted to get in when the project is operational kasi less risk. So, ibig sabihin, you're investing nun sa higher risk. And so, pagka naglumabas na yung news na, okay, operational na yung projects nila, the institutions will get in. If they get in, that's when the price goes up really high. It will shoot up. And yun na. Kung hindi mo ibebenta, tataas siya. Pero kung ibebenta mo, bababa siya. So, Pero yon, it's up to you. Kasi hindi ko alam kung aakyat or bababa. So if ever bumaba yung price, personally, I might buy. Pero I'm not telling you to buy or to sell. I'm just telling you kung bumili ka and you're able to get an allocation to think twice on selling. Yon. Review the prospectus. Read it very well. Make sure that you understand all the risk. I'm not a financial advisor, so whatever I say, take it with a grain of salt. Do your own research, study, basahin ang prospectus. Ulit-ulitin ko yan. And yun, good luck on your investment and good luck to Alternergy. Yun lang. Thank you.